In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn banner in just 5 minutes. First things first, we need a robust tool to help us craft a banner that stands out. For this, we are heading over to Canva. Canva is an excellent tool for creating eye-catching designs without needing a degree in graphic design. So, let's dive in. Once you're on Canva's homepage, you'll notice the Login button. Click on this to start the process. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, signing up is quick and easy. For those who already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. You might see a prompt asking you to continue. Go ahead and click continue. This might navigate you through a few authorization steps, especially if you're using a Google account or another social login option. When prompted, select your account or input your details to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get creative. Look for the Create a Design button, which should be quite visible, and click on it. In the search bar that appears, type in LinkedIn banner to get the right template size for your project. Subsequently, Canva will present you with the LinkedIn background photo option among others. Click it to select the appropriate size for your LinkedIn banner. Canva offers an array of templates that cater to different styles and occasions, making it easier for you to find one that aligns with your professional persona or brand. Scroll through the options, and once you find a template that captures your eye, click on it. Now you're ready to unleash your creativity. Edit the details on your selected template to reflect your personal or brand identity. You can change text, colors, add elements, or upload images to make your banner uniquely yours. Once your design's complete and you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to share your creation with the world, or in this case, prepare it for LinkedIn. Click on the share button, but instead of sharing it directly to social media or with friends, we are going to download the design to your computer. So go ahead and click on download. Make sure you choose a high resolution format like PNG or JPG for the best quality, especially since LinkedIn is a professional platform and you want your banner to look as sharp as possible. After your design has been downloaded, you are all set to update your LinkedIn profile with your new custom banner that reflects your professional identity. And that's it. You've successfully created and downloaded a professional looking LinkedIn banner in about 5 minutes. This banner will not only enhance your profile's visual appeal, but also has the potential to communicate your professional brand effectively to visitors on your profile. Remember, the key to a great LinkedIn banner is not just about making it eye-catching, but ensuring it aligns with your professional identity and brand. So don't hesitate to experiment with Canva's vast array of templates until you find the perfect one for you. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Have fun creating, and see you in the next video.